Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with the continuation of passing package for 10th standard, which are the 100% sure question for board examination. And these questions are from repeated questions from previous papers, which are very important for board examination. So let us see the question. Find the roots of quadratic equation for the following by factorization. So here the quadratic equations they have given. So we have to find the roots of quadratic equation. Let us see how we have to find. First, nothing means 1 here. So first and last number we have to multiply. 1 into 6, 6. 6x square. We should find two such numbers. When we multiply, we should get 6x square, and when we add and subtract, we should get middle number. Always remember, first and last we should multiply. Done. Then which number is left? Middle number is left. So we should find two such numbers. When we multiply, this number we should get, but when we add and subtract middle number, this middle number we should split into 2. Okay, so let us see what that 2 3s are or 3 2s are. So I can write 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2 5. So both will have a plus sign. So 3x and 2x. Now let us split this middle number. How? First and last as it is. X square I'll write as it is. In place of 5x, what we'll write? Plus 3x plus 2x. And last number also as it is, plus 6 equal to 0. Now these 3 terms was there, it becomes 4 terms. Now let us divide into 2 parts. Like I have taken first 2. So here we have grouped into 2. Okay. First group, second group. Now in first group, what is common? We have to check. What is the common in first group? X. Here also we have x and here also we have x. So x is common. I'll take x common. What remains? Here x square was there. One x common, then one x remains. Plus already x I have taken common. What remain? 3. Okay. Plus in second group, what is common? We can see in 2 tables 6 also comes. So 2 is common. If 2 is common outside, what remains? Only x remains. Plus 2, how many are 6? 2 3s are 6. Always remember, in this quadratic equation, these two brackets should be same. We should not make these brackets as different. These two common brackets should be always same sign. Okay. So now what is common here? This common bracket, x plus 3. What remains? X plus 2 equal to 0. So x plus 3 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equals to plus 3 if we take this side, minus 3, and x is equals to minus 2. So these are the roots of quadratic equation, first equation. Okay, let us see second one, how we have to solve. First and last number we should multiply. 2 3s are 6. Again same thing, we have got 6x square. But we can see here minus 5. Here we had got plus 5. Now we should find two factors in such a way that we should get minus 5x. So 6, 2 3s are 6 only. But here minus 2x minus 3x, because minus minus is plus but sign will be minus. So 2x square minus 2x minus 3x. In place of middle term, what we wrote? Minus 2x minus 3x plus as it is 3 as it is equal to 0. Now group of 2. First group, second group. Okay. In first group, what is common? We can see 2 also common and x also common. So we will write 2x as common. What remains? 2 and 1x outside common. So 1x remains. Here complete the whole 2x is common. Nothing means 1. Here we can see what 3 is common, but what I'll take? Minus 3, because first bracket we have got minus sign. So in second bracket also we need minus sign. So I'll take minus 3 common. When I take minus 3 common, what remains? Only x, and this plus sign becomes minus because I've taken minus 3 common. Already 3 common, nothing means 1. So which is the common bracket now? X minus 1. What remains? 2x minus 3 remains equal to 0. Now let us write properly. X minus 1 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Therefore x is equals to 1 and 2x is equals to minus 3 if we take this side, plus x is equals to 3 by 2. So the answers are x is equals to 1 and x is equals to 3 by 2. Here the last one. I'll solve properly. I'll write down the question because there is small space, and this is the questions from state level paper also. So let us solve clearly. Okay, here 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0. First and last number we have to multiply. 6 3s are 18, but here minus sign is there, plus minus minus 6 3s are 18x square. Okay, we should find two such numbers. Now when we multiply we should get 18, and when we add and subtract middle number. Okay, we will find two numbers, such two numbers. We know that 9 2s are 18, and we have 6 3s are 18 also, but 6 plus 3 9, 6 minus 3 3, we won't get 7. But when we go for 9 2s are 18, 9 minus 2 7, but we want minus 7, so what we will do, minus 9 plus 2. Always remember, if we have given bigger number as minus, then we will get minus 7. If we would have given here minus, we won't get minus 7, we get plus 7. So we should very careful while writing sign. Okay, let us write now. 6x square as it is. In place of minus 7x, what I should write? Minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we will make into two groups. First group, second group. In first group, what is common? We can see here the common are 3, because 6 comes in 3 table also, and 9 also comes in 3 table, and here also x we have, here also x. So 3 and x is common. 3 how many is a 6? 3 2s are 6. 1 x already I have taken common, so x it is already common. 3 how many is a 9? 3 3s are 9. Now here what is common? Nothing is common. Here 2x is there, here 3 is there, so we don't have anything common, so I'll write plus 1 common. So 2x minus 3 as it is, because I didn't take anything common. Here now common bracket, 2x minus 3 is a common bracket, remaining 3x plus 1. So now 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 3x plus 1 equal to 0. 2x minus 3 if we take this side is equals to 3, and 3x is equals to plus 1 if we take this side minus 1, and x is equals to 3 by 2 and x is equals to minus 1 by 3. These are the roots of quadratic equation. So I'll take one more question so that you can understand well. This is also one more question I'll take. This is the fourth question. X square minus 3x minus 10. This is also question from question paper. Let us solve now how. First and last number we have to multiply. 1 10s are 10, but we have minus sign, minus 10x square. Okay, now we should find two such numbers. When we multiply we should get minus 10 square, and when we add and subtract we should get 3x minus 3x. So we can say 5 2s are 10. Okay, 5 2s are 10, but we want minus sign, so bigger number minus, smaller number plus, because 5 minus 2 is 3 and bigger number sign is minus 3. Okay, so let us solve. X square as it is, minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 equal to 0. Now first group, second group. In first group what is common? Nothing, only x is common, so I'll write x is common. Here x square, that means 1x common, x remains, x common, 5 remains. So here what is common? We can see 2 is common here, because in 2 table 10 comes, so I'll take 2 common. If 2 is common, what remains? X remains. 2 how many is are 10? 2 5s are 10. Which is the common bracket? X minus 5, x plus 2, remaining number equal to 0. X minus 5 equal to 0 and x plus 2 equal to 0. So x is equals to minus 5 if we take this side, 5, and x is equals to minus 2. So these are the very important and 100% sure question in board examination. Only the thing we should do properly, factorization. This is called factorization, which we are learning from our previous classes, like in 8th standard, in 9th standard, and again in 10th standard. So these are very important questions for board examination. Yes, so here I'll end my video. In my next video I'm coming up with the next very important question from board papers. So do like and share. Thank you.